Janata Dal United ki MLA manga ki mathakta Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker ki Tribunal da chatharakiba anti-defection case ki hearing ngasi loishinkibaga lorina chatharakiba hearing asigi Judgement Speaker na haidoktana Thamkhre ngasi ayuk pung 12 makhaidagi hauduna pungkhai amakhakki break yauraga punna pung 3 khara henba fawba chathakiba hearing aduda JDU की MLA मंगा की काउंसिल लोनिना पिटिशनर की काउंसिल सिंह लोइना सरुया की हियरिंग अदुगी मतंगदा JDU की MLA ओरिबा LM खौटे अमदी एन सनाटी की काउंसिल लुंगमी रगुइना हाइखिबदा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की तरह सुबह शेड्यूल की मखादा MLA सिंह असुबु डिस्क्वालीफाई तौनबा केस तौरक्लबसु मखोइबु ngakthoknaba provision yauri anti defection ni haiduna disqualify tauba haiba asi merger da apply tauba yade JDU की MLA मंगा मक asi political party asigi saruk ahum thopagi manungda anina mars tawkibani masida kari sukaiba leite lorina assembly ki speaker na sumamangda haibadi in kumjali singani kunitoi ki September anida ayaba biba leikrabani Panba yai madadi Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ki Vice President Hareswar Goswami na Constitution ki Tara Suba Sadul ki Makhada JDU ki MLA manga asina BJP da Songsin Kivagi damak anti-defection ki Makhada case ama speaker da tharaki bani JDU की MLA मंगा अदुदी थांगमैबन AC की MLA KH जोइकिशन टिपाइमुक AC की N सनाते जिरेवाम AC की MD असफउद्दीन चुरचानपुर AC की LM खौटी अमदी वांखई AC की MLA थांगजम अरुण कुमार ने
Yes, we had a lengthy arguments. I represent on behalf of the respondent number 5 and 2, that is Ngursalung, Sanate and Kaute. Disqualification case number 5, 2, and in 6 and 7, I am the respondent 2 and 5. So the petitioner filed under the Constitution 10 schedules 2(1)(a), saying that voluntary giving up of the political party might be disqualified. Read section article 191 clause 2 says that under Constitution there's 10 schedules. If the so-called political party disqualified under the 10 schedules, so they filed with these two provisions. So under the 10 schedule, there is a protections provided under the fourth schedule of the 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution, saying that disqualifications of on the ground of defection does not apply to the merger. So here's a condition given saying that we merge with the 2/3 of the political party, and it's very much accepted, and it's a legitimate and collectively decision taken by the party, and we merge with the political BJP party. And that is accepted in the year of 2022 by the speaker itself. Here, the paragraph 6 of the 10th schedule's constitution says that there's a absolute powers to be taken by the decision by the speakers. So there's a in Article 2(1)(2), there's no questionables if it is taken by the speakers. That's what it says. Judgment has been kept reserved. So will be. I'm hopefully waiting the positive outcomes of today's hearing, and seniors counsel also argued in this matters. We had lengthy arguments, more than 4 5 hours. So that is about today.